All right, I wanted to do a quick video to educate my viewers on the capabilities of my oscilloscope. So I have my circuit that had a ground bounce. I'll try to put a link down below if you're late to the party. But I'm not using a scope probe, so there's no problems with ground leads or short leads or long leads or anything like that. The output is going directly into the oscilloscope. And it's 50 ohms here. It's terminating with 50 ohms here. There's 4 200 ohm resistors, and if so, 50 ohms. 50 ohms in here. I have 50 ohms turned on into the input of the oscilloscope. So everything is 50 ohms to 50 ohms. Everything's grounded. Everything's fine. So now let's take a look at the actual waveform. So here is the waveform. And all right, so some people were complaining that, oh, you've only got 320 points, and this thing's going to interpolate and things like that. Okay, so let's talk about interpolation and things. Let's see here. Let's go to acquire. I can turn that off, and now it's doing 100 megapoints. 100 megapoints. The screen didn't change very much. It's flickering a bit because of the refresh rate and everything, but yeah, 100. So that's really not a problem. And then they talked about the interpolation, that maybe the sine x over x type of thing. So let's go to that. Let's see, that is in a display, waveform display. Okay, so we have vectors and we have anti-aliasing. So right now I have it in the default mode. Vectors and anti-aliasing are on, and that's the default mode, okay? And so I am going to show you the waveform. And so this is full vector interpolation, right? If I turn vectors off, it will show points. It won't draw between the points. And I think you can see right in here, you can see tiny little points, okay? And as I move out, it's going to be harder to see those points, but they're still there, little tiny points. If I move out, little tiny points. So those are the individual measurements. So if there's any interpolation being done, it would be between those little sample points. People are complaining about sample points. Now remember, I'm sampling at 3.2 gigasamples per second. Gigasamples per second. That's 300,000 megasamples per second. Do you get that? It's a lot. It's a lot. And so these little point-to-point things are very, very finely spaced. All right. And if I turn anti-aliasing on, anti-aliasing is only going to affect things in other circumstances, not this particular circumstance. So anyway, there you go. This oscilloscope does not have problems with sine x over x. This does not have problems with sampling. This does not have problems with anything. It's a 1 gigahertz scope. It's just fine. The ground bounce is the ground bounce in the circuit. All of the errors are down there. All right, and to be inclusive, here is a single shot mode. So there's no repetitive sampling, no nothing. This is a single trigger, single shot.